So what really grabs your attention? For me, it's seeing these major players from totally different fields coming together to build something, well, huge.
Yeah,
Like what's happening in Sweden right now. You've got AstraZeneca, Ericsson, Saab, Sepit Bank, and Wallenberg Investments. Big names.
okay, quite a mix. What are they up to?
They're teaming up with NVIDIA. The goal, to build Sweden's most powerful AI infrastructure, a sovereign AI supercomputer.
Ah, okay. That is interesting. So NVIDIA is involved.
Exactly. So let's dive in. Why is this such a big deal? And, why should you care, especially if you're following robotics and AI?
Well, the significance isn't just the collaboration itself, though that's notable. It's the synergy, bringing together pharma, telecom, defense, finance, all with a top AI company.
Right. It's not just another upgrade.
No, it's about building a national-level AI capability and, crucially, one they control themselves. Sovereign AI.
And the tech behind it, I saw they're deploying two NVIDIA DGX SuperPODs.
That's right. Powered by the new Grace Blackwell GB300 systems.
Yeah.
This is set to be Sweden's biggest enterprise AI setup. Secure access for those partners.
So what kind of power does that actually give them? What can they do with it?
Think immense computational power tailored for AI. It lets them train really complex, specialized AI models at a scale they just couldn't before in Sweden.
Like for drug discovery or...
Exactly. Or intricate defense simulations for Saab. And it's also about large-scale inference, using those trained models to analyze tons of new data, make predictions. They even mentioned reasoning AI.
Reasoning AI. So AI that can sort of understand context and maybe solve new problems, not just spot patterns.
That's the idea. It's pushing beyond current capabilities.
Yeah.
And NVIDIA isn't just dropping off boxes either.
Oh.
They're setting up their first AI technology center in Sweden. That signals a deeper partnership.
Right, like a hub.
Precisely. For collaboration, research, but also, importantly, for upskilling. Getting the Swedish workforce trained up via NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute, building long-term expertise.
So let's break down the partners. AstraZeneca, you mentioned drug discovery.
Yeah, using foundation models, multimodal inference, basically AI-driven drug development.
Yeah.
Speeding things up, potentially.
And Ericsson. Telecom, obviously.
They're looking to boost network performance, efficiency, maybe find new business models using advanced AI, better customer experiences, that kind of thing.
Saab. Defense tech, I assume?
Accelerating development, yeah.
Yeah.
Integrating AI more deeply into their platforms. And Saab, the bank.
Embedding AI, too, for efficiency.
Efficiency, new customer offerings, and crucially, ensuring their banking services are future-proofed with secure access to this kind of infrastructure.
Marcus Wallenberg really emphasized the strategic national importance. He talked about spillover effects.
Absolutely. Better skills across the board, new collaborations beyond these initial partners, strengthening the whole Swedish AI ecosystem. It's bigger than just these 5 companies.
And Jensen Huang from NVIDIA calling AI the engine of the next industrial revolution. That puts it into perspective.
It really does. Comparing it to electricity or the internet, he sees this Swedish project as laying groundwork for, well, potentially huge advancements.
That phrase, sovereign compute access, keeps coming up. Why is that specific point so critical?
Well, in today's world, data is everything, right? And AI algorithms are powerful. Having control over the infrastructure where that AI is developed and where sensitive data is processed within your own borders.
It's about data privacy, security.
Exactly. It addresses those crucial ethical and security concerns head-on. This project prioritizes that national control. It could be a model for responsible AI development.
Okay, so let's pivot slightly. Why should this grab your attention if robotics is your thing? It might seem a bit indirect at first glance.
Well, think about it. AI is essentially the brain guiding many advanced robots. If you massively accelerate AI development with a supercomputer like this...
You accelerate robot capabilities.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
You could see breakthroughs in things like robot perception, understanding their environment better, navigation in tricky spaces, and definitely decision-making, more autonomy.
And with Saab involved, that points directly to AI and defense robotics, doesn't it?
It certainly suggests advancements in that area. And don't forget Ericsson's angle, better AI for telecom.
Could mean better connectivity and control for robots, like remote operations, 5G-enabled robots.
Precisely. Robots operating in complex or remote environments could benefit significantly. Plus, that push for reasoning AI we mentioned.
Yeah.
Imagine robots that don't just follow instructions but can understand the why, adapt more intelligently to unexpected situations. That's a whole new level of autonomy.
And the technology center, the training, that builds an AI talent pool in Sweden, right?
For sure.
Which feeds into robotics research, too.
Absolutely. It fosters a hub for talent, research, knowledge sharing, all highly relevant to pushing robotics forward.
So looking at the big picture, this Swedish AI initiative isn't just a tech story. It feels more like a strategic play with ripples across many industries, especially robotics.
I think that's right. And the focus on sovereign infrastructure and ethics provides a really interesting model for how other places might approach large-scale AI development responsibly.
It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What are the unexpected connections? Like, could AI breakthroughs in drug discovery somehow spin off into, say, biorobotics?
It's fascinating to consider what new possibilities open up when you give diverse industries this kind of massive computational power specifically for AI. That's the really compelling question looking forward.